Hello, I'm 𝐒𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈 English teacher and I'm here to teach you some tips. Today we are going to talk about 10 interview questions and answers as a Python developer. Let's start with number 1. What is the programming language? Python. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Its language constructs, as well as its object-oriented approach, aim to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. Question 2. What are Python's data structure? There are 5 data structures in Python: sets, strings, dict, list, and tuples. Question 3. Is Python an interpreted programming code? Yes, Python is an interpreted language, which means the source code of a Python program is converted into bytecode that is then executed by the Python virtual machine. Python is different from major compiled languages, since Python code is not required to be built and linked like code for these languages. Question 4. What is slicing? Slicing in Python is a feature that enables accessing parts of sequences like strings, tuples, and lists. You can also use them to modify or delay the items of mutable sequences such as lists. Question 5. What is pass? The pass statement is used as a placeholder for future code. When the pass statement is executed, nothing happens, but you avoid getting an error when empty code is not allowed. Question 6. What is lambda? In Python, a lambda function is a single-line function declared with no name, which can have any number of arguments, but it can only have one expression. Question 7. How is memory managed in Python? Memory management in Python involves a private heap containing all Python objects and data structures. The management of this private heap is ensured internally by the Python Memory Manager. The Python Memory Manager has different components which deal with various dynamic storage management aspects like sharing, segmentation, pre-allocation, or caching. Question 8. What is pickling and unpickling? Pickling is the process whereby a Python object hierarchy is converted into a byte stream, and unpickling is the inverse operation, whereby a byte stream from a binary file or bytes-like object is converted back into an object hierarchy. Question 9. What are the differences between list and tuples? List and tuple in Python are the class of data structure. The list is dynamic, whereas the tuple has static characteristics. The tuple is faster than the list because of static in nature. Finally, question 10. Is Python an object-oriented language? Yes, as we mentioned at the beginning, Python is a language with OOPS features. Therefore, if it is object-oriented and class-based, it is also polymorphism, inheritance, and more. Okay, so you already know. If you want to continue improving your English with me, join me at 𝐒𝐒𝐑𝐈. Bye!